Let's talk about basic editing. When you start editing a project, you have a main timeline into which most clips go. This is the darker band in the timeline view. You can simply drag clips from the browser into the timeline like this. You can rearrange clips in the timeline. You can place clips above or below the main timeline to create connected clips. You can select a clip and use the E shortcut to attach it to the end of the timeline. You can place the playhead where you want it, select a clip, and use the W shortcut to insert the clip at that point. You can use the Q shortcut to connect a clip above the main timeline as a connected clip. You can use the D shortcut to place a clip on the main timeline, overriding whatever's already there. The blade tool is pretty simple. Set your cursor, type Command B. Now your clip is 2 clips.